In this video, I'm breaking down whether it's normal for a contractor to ask for a big down payment before even starting your hail-damaged roof and siding replacement. Alright, so here's the deal. When you're dealing with hail damage repairs, roof, siding, flashing, windows, the last thing you want to do is hand over cash without knowing exactly what you're paying for, right? Typically, contractors want some sort of deposit, but half up front before they've even seen the damage or walked on your roof? That's kind of sketchy. You want to get a detailed contract that lays out the scope of work, materials, timelines, and costs before any payments. If the siding is discontinued and they're working with ITEL for replacements, that's a good sign they're trying to cover your bases, but still, don't pay until you have a clear plan. It's smart to ask for payments tied directly to work milestones, like paying half of the roof cost once they start tearing off the old shingles. Also, make sure any extras like gutters or plywood replacement are included in writing before you agree to pay. If a contractor pushes for half up front with no contract or clear scope, that's a red flag. You're totally within your rights to say no or negotiate terms that protect you and your wallet. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make with hail damage contractors is paying too much upfront without a signed contract or clear scope, which can lead to confusion or worse, getting stuck with shoddy work. Another common issue is trusting verbal promises about discontinued siding or insurance coverage without documentation. Always get that stuff in writing. Third, many folks don't check if the contractor actually inspects the damage themselves. Letting someone quote based just on an adjuster's report can mean surprises later. The fix? Demand a written contract before any payment, require the contractor to inspect your property firsthand, and ensure any insurance-related work aligns with what's actually needed. That way you avoid headaches and make sure your hail damage gets handled right. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who specialize in hail damage repairs and more. Contractors also get a chance to find serious work through the platform, making it easier for everyone to get projects done smoothly without the usual hassle.